What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's wheels finally. It's been, seems like forever, but let's get it jacked up. Let's get the wheels cleaned, and we'll get the spray in. We'll show you a little trick that I've always used for wheels, which I think is pretty cool. Probably been done before, but I'll show you anyway. Well, this is worse than expected. That is supposed to be blue. These are Cusco coilovers from, a long time ago, but good grief. This is rusty now. That down in there looks pretty bad. It won't focus, but yeah, this is complete shit in here. So a trip to the trash can is the next thing for these things. Damn, that is really bad. I was expecting a little bit of oil and stuff like that, but that was surprising. Did get one of these shitty wheels cleaned though. About ready to spray. Hey, okay, so the wheel's cleaned, ready to be sprayed. I'm gonna show you my little trick on how I block off the tire from getting paint all over it. Been doing this forever. Some of you may have done it before. Let me know down below if you have. And yeah, I know I'm pretty much polishing a turd with these wheels, but I just need them to not be white anymore. So let's go spray, and yeah. So the inner fenders of this car, I've never, I keep saying this about this car, but I've never seen that much funk and just road grime and stuff. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, but I'm gonna video the passenger side in hopes that it's well, I don't hope it's as bad as it was, but hopefully it is, so I can show you what it looked like. But good grief. So this is what it looks like now. You know, blue paint and whatnot. I scrubbed this for an hour. There's some little spot rust places. I'm gonna sand that off, and then I'm gonna spray it back down and keep carrying on. But let's go to the passenger side, I guess. And I was right to assume, look how dirty this is. Look at that. It looks like those damn, the caves. I can't think of what comes down from the ceiling right now. I can't think of the word, but that's what it looks like. And God, look how rusty. This was blue. Blue! That was blue. At one point in time. Ugh. Fortunato, coming your way soon. Scrub, scrub, and more scrub. Holy shit. This is nuts. I guess obviously it's gonna build up over years, but good grief. It's just caked on there too. It's like I went through well, not went through, but I've had to clean the wire brushes like 5 times per side at least, because it just gums them up. Oh, unreal. All right, got it cleaned. That was a lot. But yeah, I gotta spray this, do a little more sanding, and yeah, that'll be that. All right, it's a new day, new couple days actually. We've had a lot of rain, a lot of storms. So back at it today. Let's finish some wheels. I've got one rear wheel off and it doesn't look as bad as the front, but still pretty dirty. So it is gonna storm in a couple hours. So trying to get this all done before then. So yeah, let's go. All right, I think I'm gonna skip scrubbing like really good underneath the rear fender wells. I had to remove the wheels anyway to do the brakes. I just wanna do a light scrub today because the storm clouds are coming, so I wanna get it done and just be done with the wheels. So yeah, I'm gonna skip that this time, I think, do it lightly and carry on. Finished it just in time. I think it looks so good. Let's take a look at it and yeah, we'll go from there. Alrighty, that's it. It's gonna do it. The wheels are done, finally. Thanks for sticking with me through this multi-part episode. I know it was like over a span of like 4 days, but yeah, got it done. The storm clouds are rolling in now, so I'm gonna just call it for today. I was gonna do some other little small things, but just gonna skip it and do it next time. But yeah, thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube things. Comment down below if you like it now or if you liked it better before. I personally love the black on there. Just looks so good. No other color does it justice, I think. Maybe graphite, but yeah, I just love the black. So see you in the next one. Bye.